Okay, I'm here reporting on Superstorm, Super Blizzard 2013 here in Boston, Massachusetts. It's about 11:30, no, it's about 8:51 on Friday night. I'm here in Watertown, Massachusetts, and we're gonna go out here outside to see how bad this blizzard really is. The mayor or governor of Massachusetts has declared a vehicle ban law in effect as of 4 o'clock today. Any vehicles found on the roadways will be fined $500 or a year in prison. So we're going to go outside and see what it's really like out here. So hold on 1 minute. Okay, here we go. Oh wow. Oh wow, I don't even believe this. Oh my gosh, I don't know what I was getting into coming out here. I don't know if you can see this on the camera. I gotta put my other glove on. It's just like, it doesn't even look like the snow is falling. It's just like cloud, a massive cloud of snow. Whoa. Okay, when I was out here a few hours ago, there was literally no snow. We're already a good, oh, let's see here. We're at a good 8 inches. We're at a solid 8 here. Now, the drifting is a big concern out here. It's got to be a big concern. The snow plow I've been hearing come by probably about every 45 minutes or so. Wow, this is deep. Okay, you can get a good view of this up here at the street light with how good it's blowing. I don't even know if I should be out here. I don't know if they can ticket me for being out walking around or what, but it's really blowing. As you can see, I bundled up pretty good. Whoa, this tree's howling. Oh my gosh. Oh, okay, these gusts are probably up to about maybe 40, 50. These power lines are really swaying. I think I'm gonna head back in. These trees too. Oh, here comes the plow. I better get off the street. I don't want him to see. Yeah, there goes one plow. Plows are the only vehicles allowed on the streets right now. That and emergency vehicles. I better head in. I didn't even see him coming. With the wind and the quietness of the snow, didn't even see him coming. This tree really got blown though with that gust. Here comes the plow. Okay, I think I'm just here backing up. Man, I've never seen anything like this before. This is a blizzard. Definitely a blizzard. Okay. What's he doing? Just looks like a Caterpillar, big dump truck with a big plow on the front. He's been working just these streets non-stop. I think they got these streets sectioned off. Maybe just they've got like a plow for every neighborhood. They just keep working it. Here he goes. Look at that plow. He's just going. Wow. He's gonna be out here all night. He'll probably be out here all weekend. He's backing up now. I'm just gonna stay out of his way. Yep. He's making the turn there. There is a lot of snow. This is heavy snow. Oh look, he's spinning out. The dump truck can't even get traction out here. He's spinning his wheels. Look at that. Look at that, he's just spinning. Can't even get grip. Wow. This is crazy out here. We got to get back in. I'm running. Who knows what these trees can do with these gusts? Oh wait, here's my car back here. Look at that. The Prius. We're already getting some, the Prius has got it good on the back end of this. Look at that. Just deep snow within a matter of hours. We're already getting some good drifting going on here. Whew. They said it's supposed to be dumping about 3 to 5 inches per hour. So we'll see how things are looking in the morning. But that's just too dangerous out there.